Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the Sprunki Sonic. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. We'll start in the center and let's draw a small sideways oval for the nose. And then let's add another one inside at the top. And color the bottom section in black. Now from both sides, let's curve it out, up, and around. And now let's add a curve underneath for the bottom of the face. Now inside on the right, let's add the mouth. Let's start inside on the right and let's draw a curve down and over. Then from the top, let's curve it over and back around. And add 3 diagonal lines inside from the bottom. And that's it for the mouth. Now let's hop on top and draw the eyes. Let's start in the center and let's draw 2 bumps down and back up. Then from the ends, let's curve it up and back down for the eyes. And let's add another curve on top on both sides. Now top inside and towards the center here, let's add 2 ovals. And let's add another oval inside each one. And then one more in the top left corner. And color the rest of the pupils in black. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's hop to the sides and let's draw a curve up for the sides of the head. And now we're going to hop on top and draw the ears. Let's start with a curve out and up on both sides. And then let's curve it back down. Now inside each ear, let's add a curve at the bottom. And then let's curve it up from both ends, meeting at a point. Next, in between the ears, let's draw 2 curves down and out for the top of the head. And then let's continue that curve on the other side of the ears. And then curve it back in underneath. Next, let's hop underneath in the center and let's draw the body. Let's start with 2 angled lines down. And a line across at the bottom. Now let's hop inside and let's draw a curve across. And then from both ends, let's curve it down, meeting at a point. Now let's hop back out and let's draw a curve down. Then underneath on both sides, let's curve it back up and in. And that's it for Sprunki Sonic. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!